Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Buick Encore key fob battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver, and a new CR2032 battery. This simple process will restore your fob's functionality quickly. You'll save time and money by doing it yourself. Let's get started by preparing your workspace and ensuring you have everything ready for the task ahead. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small silver button on the side or back of your fob. Press and hold this button to release the emergency key blade, then slide it out. Next, use a small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key itself to gently pry apart the two halves of the fob casing. There's usually a small notch where you can insert your tool. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to notice which way the positive side is facing, usually indicated by a plus sign. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing down, just like the old one. It should snap securely into place. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob by trying to lock and unlock your Buick Encore. Your fob should now be working perfectly with its new battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.